Step-by-step instructions to kill cockroaches by adopting protective precautions. Chasing cockroaches are truly troublesome and a tedious assignment, and in this way you had the opportunity to do a similar carefully and astutely. There are diverse well-known methodologies or stunts that can assist you with knowing with respect to how to murder cockroaches by receiving defensive safeguards. You should play it safe, which are a lot of important to keep up so the assaults of cockroaches can be forestalled. Best tips on how to slaughter cockroaches by receiving defensive safety measures. There are not many master tips that can assist you with forestalling the section of cockroaches with an assurance. These tips will assist you with making such conditions that are totally unsuitable for the cockroaches, yet people will stay safe. These tips will cause you to see how to execute cockroaches by embracing defensive insurances prudently without upsetting the day-by-day life cycle. A portion of the significant hints are as per the following. On the off chance that synthetic substances or bug sprays are getting utilized inside the house for executing cockroaches, at that point you should be cautious with respect to the utilization of the equivalent. They should be splashed in such a way so that pets and children can be insured without welcoming any sort of lung or breathing difficulty. Just tried and confirmed synthetics should be utilized so destructive impacts on people, particularly at the hour of utilization, can be evaded positively. The kitchen or restroom places should be kept up with no soggy so the cockroaches don't find the opportunity of appearance or making their homes. In this regard, ordinary cleaning of the kitchen and restrooms is a lot of essential. Disinfectant fluids should be utilized for careful cleaning of kitchen floors and counters, as that won't pull in cockroaches, rather will fend them off. Water spillages should be fixed as quickly as time permits, as cockroaches can't remain a solitary week without utilizing water. Truth be told, this is one of the best preventive estimates that can gradually wipe out the sign of cockroaches. Cockroach droppings or eggs can be effectively dodged by methods for cleaning the utensil extra room consistently. Then again, you additionally need to put these utensils in a topsy-turvy way for staying away from the concerned difficulty. Despite the fact that manual slaughtering is risky and boisterous, on the off chance that you do likewise, at that point, all things considered, dead cockroaches should be eliminated when they are executed. Naphthalene balls can be treated as probably the most ideal alternative that can firmly forestall the development or sign of cockroaches, as these creepy crawlies simply scorn the smell of these manufactured balls. You can put these balls any place in your home, particularly inside cupboards, closets and different spots. Gathering of messes should be cleaned as it welcomes cockroaches. Old apparel or papers should be eliminated totally. In any case, cockroach rearing can't be halted without any problem. Nourishments must be put away inside fixed compartments, and beverages must be saved inside clean pots with appropriate covers. Leaving filthy dishes for the time being is definitely not a decent practice, as that chiefly welcomes the cockroaches.